Alrighty, we got a train on the way.
DesignAirService.com is where you go. The longest running sponsor on TMA. It's Design Air, heating and cooling sponsor of that email that I come your way at 9:45. It is the healthcare evolution.
It is a freight train, coal train actually, 5478 and 6537. Alright, here comes our 319. For some reason this bell is very high pitched. Okay, well, now we got a BNSF. I have no clue what kind of cars those are, nor what kind of train it is. This train was going by while 319 was passing. Alright, let's see what kind of train this is. It looks like a manifest. Alright, here's the end of this BNSF freight train. And there's that BNSF. Okay. Well, I guess that isn't the last train. I'm talking about the BNSF. I guess that BNSF isn't our last train because we got 2 yellows on track 1 and 2 on the Union Pacific. So I guess I'll see you when either one or both of these trains come through. Okay, so the signals are now dark, but I am still gonna stay out here and see if we can get like 1 or 2 more trains. All right, well now we got a green on track 2 and a yellow on track 1. So I'll be back with you when a train comes through. All right, here comes our westbound. Yep, it's that coal train I saw at the downtown. With 7864 and 88.9. Oh, whoa, sorry about that, y'all. Trying to fix this. Ooh, wait. Alright, we're gonna pan back over. We got some mid DPUs coming up. Got 3 DPUs in the middle of this train. Those being 82, 78, 5600, and 291. you is a Kansas City Southern locomotive, number 4733, ES44AC. Alrighty. Oh, sorry about this camera angle, guys. I've been having issues with my tripod. Right there. There's Kansas City Southern locomotive on the rear of this UP coal train. And as you can see, we still got a yellow on main track 1. I will check the cameras and I will push back up with you either when I gotta go or when this next train when this next train hits my location. Alright, well, both the signals have dropped, are now dark. So I'm gonna go ahead and go home and end the video here. So guys, that is going to do it. Thank you so much for watching this technically first full Railfanning video of 2026. If you enjoyed, please leave a like. That would be greatly appreciated. Subscribe if you are brand new, and make sure to ring that bell so you know when I post a new video. And if you want, make sure to comment down below telling me where I should Railfan next. But yeah, I'm gonna leave. This is Sublette Avenue on the hill in St. Louis, Missouri. It's 368 saying stay safe, stay Railfanning, and have a great day.